This is Blondie, and this is Hank, the new additions to my family, and I'm sorry for the bad video, it's on the phone. Aww. They're about 7 weeks old. They're new additions to our family. This is our game room, and we keep them in this little thing when we're sitting in here and watching TV and taking days off of our lives by smoking cigarettes. So we keep the window open and the fans on, so don't worry, it's not smoky. We're not giving them lung cancer. They stay in here for about 30 minutes to an hour with us in the morning and evenings, and then they're in the house with us during the day under strict supervision, so they don't eat the house. We have their kennel in the dog room that we specially built for our dog, and this is them. They're cute, they're beautiful. They're from the same litter. They're brother and sister. We had a half lab, half Rhodesian Ridgeback she was about 12 years old. Her name was Rosie, and unfortunately she passed away from having seizures for about an hour the day before we were supposed to get Blondie. She was going to be my dog, and my husband was very distraught, of course, so he decided immediately to get Hank that same night after just 3 hours after we got Blondie. So they've been a handful, but we know they will be a great, addition to our family. Babies, say hi to everybody. Say hi. Hi. Are you pretty? Come here. Oh, this is my beautiful baby. Say hi. Oh, yeah. Here's my girl. Hank. Hanky. Aren't you just the most cute? Oh, perfect. Oh, tell me all about it. You want to get your toy? You're tired. You tired? Come on. Get your toy. 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 Hanky, you're tired. Are you tired? Get the toy. I know, itchy collar, itchy collar. Today. They're still trying to determine who's going to be the dominant one of the pack. Surprisingly, even though Blondie's bigger, Hank's pretty aggressive. He's also the first one to run out of energy. Whenever we have our playtime in the living room, we block it off with gates. You can't jump out, baby. Whenever he gets tired while we're playing, we have a basket of toys. He comes over and we're sitting on the floor, and he sits in my lap and he falls asleep. He starts whining like this whenever he gets tired. Do you want me to get in with you? Do you want me to get in so everybody can see a better view? See, look, he's going to go directly to my lap. Look. Directly to my lap. He's tired. Baby's tired. And Sissy gets jealous. It looks like we got some sleepy babies. Oh, look at the beautiful babies. They're sitting in Mommy's lap. It's time to go to sleep. They say, we're tired, Mama. We're tired. Yeah. Thank you. You're tired? Are you tired? So these are our babies, new additions to our family. Blondie, which is the most beautiful yellow lab I've ever seen. I'm probably partial because she's mine. And Hank, the most beautiful chocolate lab. Yeah, the baby's tired. Alright, good night.